Hello there, I'm Markowitz. Welcome to my tutorials and how-tos. First of all, I want to thank Ryan and Tyler of the Elephant House for letting me use their refrigerator, which brings us to today's tutorial. Number 1, and this is where I'll edit in a, you'll see it. No, you see it on your screen. Number 1, locate the fridge. David. Opening the fridge. There's no need to over exaggerate your posture when you're actually opening the fridge. But for the sake of argument, for the sake of the video, I'm gonna do so. And before you know it, you've got an open fridge. Demonstration. Are we okay? For instance, this ketchup, brand name concealed, is chilled because of the fridge. Once the food has been used, you can replace it in the fridge. This may seem obvious at first, but some people can get really tricked up. What next? Next. Section 2. Shelves. Shelves can help organize and separate the foods you hold near and dear. For instance, cylindrical items such as jars, canisters, or other canisters. Take this, a healthy alternative to milk. Almond milk, brand name concealed. That's some good milk. Different compartments help sort different items in a way shelves could never hope to do. Voila! It's the celery. The science behind apples is relatively normal. Thanks, fridge. We've learned a lot of lessons together along the way, and I hope that you check out my other tutorials, such as sunscreen, how do we do it, and more to come.